Hey guys, it's Avam again. Welcome back to another video. And today we will be discussing the AR-57. The AR-57 falls into the assault rifle category, chambered in 5.7 by 28 millimeter, which is the same caliber as the P90. And coincidentally enough, the AR-57 also has the same magazine system. And in this video, I will discuss how to balance the recoil, the handling, and what would be the best way to use this gun. Let's start with the recoil, and I have to admit it is really bad. You are not using the AR-57 without any attachments if you want to play competitively. Without any attachments, this gun is uncontrollable and that puts you at a risk since you can either build the gun for control which either destroys the handling or you can build it for handling which destroys the control. And to be honest, why would you have one at the cost of the other? That's why the build I use fixes things. For my build, I am using the Secret Order bevel grip, the anchor point rail stock, the integrally suppressed barrel, the MOE rear grip, along with 3 KC hound patches and a laser. This build ensures both handling, control, and added stability, which makes the recoil control amazing. The speed isn't as bad either, it's overall a good build, but even despite that, if you're worried about the handling, you can swap out the MOE rear grip for the Phantom grip, which increases the speed of aim. Now, moving on to the damage, at 5 meters without any added muzzle velocity, the gun has a damage of 21 to the stomach and torso, 16.8 to the limbs, and 26 to the head, which gives a time to kill of about 0.27 seconds. And at 25 meters, the damage drops to 13.4 to the limbs, 16.8 to the torso and stomach, and 21 to the head. I wouldn't recommend using the AR-57 with no attachments at 25 meters because this gun has zero control. All you will be doing is excessive mag dumping along with suppressive fire, and if you're lucky enough, despite all this, you might get 2 to 3 kills. And after using my build, there is no noticeable difference apart from the fact the recoil control increases and the time to kill stays consistent for about 25 meters, which is 0.27 seconds to 0.34 seconds. The best way to use the AR-57 with this build is by playing passive, and by playing passive, I mean don't take on too many gunfights, hold and peek corners. This gun obviously has more than enough abilities to hold its own against enemies, but due to the relatively low magazine size and the fast fire rate, it's gonna make you run out quick and reloading takes quite a while. So pick your gunfights properly because in modes like Victory Unite or Attack and Defend, each shot counts. With all that said, I believe that is all for the analysis. The build will be pinned down in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found the video helpful, and do tell in the comments what I should do next. And until next time, peace.